Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this tutorial we'll see how we can create an account on Geometry Dash. So I have downloaded this game from Play Store and I have installed this. So this is the starting screen what you see when you install this. You can click on this gear icon which is nothing but settings. When you click on settings you will see an option called account. See here account. So for now I didn't have an account to log in, so you need to click as register. Okay, username. You can choose password of your choice. So you should write the password and repeat the password, and you can enter your email ID, and you need to click on verify email. So enter the same, repeat your email ID here. Okay, once you enter all the details you can click on submit. So you need to repeat the mail when it asks for the verify mail at the last option. So created. So I have created my account. Thank you for registering. A confirmation email has been sent to your inbox. Please activate your account. So I'll click my home button and I'll open my Gmail app to find the mail from that Geometry Dash game. So I'll click on sync. I'll refresh it to check whether see here in update section I have got a mail from Geometry Dash. Please activate your account. So click here. So please verify. I'm not a robot. You need to check mark that I am not a robot and click on verify. See here, thank you for activating account. See here, there is small writing here. I'll show you. Thank you for activating your account. You can log in now. So I'll open the Geometry Dash and click on OK. I'll just log in. Enter your username, GameDevTips9. This is my username, and the password you can enter, and you can click on login. Login success. Thank you for logging in. You have now linked your game. So this is how easily you can create a account on Geometry Dash. And many are saying that you are getting something wrong. Please check your internet connection and do that. And please do check your mail and confirm the mail. While receiving a confirmation email from the Geometry Dash, please do check in primary, social, updates, and even in spam or folder also. Check for the confirmation link and click on the confirmation link, and that's it. You can play this Geometry Dash. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.